Okay, so I just increased the length of the pendulum for 40 centimeters. Sorry, if you go find out a bit. Right. Right, so you can see this is roughly about 40 centimeters. Right. Okay, so now we are at 40 centimeters. So I will do some three trials, three sets of readings at 40 centimeters. So let's get it swinging first. You don't have to exactly go 1 2 3 start. Just get it swinging, and when I think I'm ready, I'll start. Start. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. So there's a longer longer here, so 20 oscillators. Right, then another trial again. So reset and go again. Okay. Start. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Okay, so I got 20.37. So I'll put that in as 20.4. Sorry, 25. I'm sorry, 25.37. So that's I feel like previously it was 25 as well. I think maybe